Cucumber juice is the star of the show when it comes to refreshing drinks, and it's not just for when you're craving a cool beverage. It offers a great way to boost your hydration levels and also assists in weight loss. This light-tasting drink tastes great on its own, but also makes for an amazing addition to smoothies or even just plain water. In this video, we will be talking about the surprising benefits and unknown side effects of cucumber juice and what exactly happens when you drink it every day. So, let's get started. What are the main benefits of cucumber juice? Number 1. Detoxify the body. Drinking cucumber juice is the best way to naturally cleanse your body. It contains high levels of vitamin A, C, and B6, all of which act as antioxidants and protect your body from toxins. Cucumbers are also a great source of fiber and water, both of which are important for a healthy digestive tract and weight management. So, if you're looking to detoxify your body, cucumber juice is a great place to start. Number 2. Balances your hormones. Cucumber juice contains phytonutrients that have been proven to have a positive effect on hormone levels. These phytonutrients act on the thyroid gland and help regulate hormone levels, particularly estrogen, which regulates the menstrual cycle of women. Cucumber juice also contains high amounts of folate, which is important for women during pregnancy. It can help prevent birth defects known as neural tube defect, such as spina bifida. Other folate-rich fruits are grapefruit, papayas, grapes, bananas, strawberries, raspberries, and cantaloupe. Men can benefit from this juice as well. It can help reduce the effects of high testosterone levels and can therefore be helpful for men who experience hair loss, acne, or mood swings. Number 3. Strengthen your bones. Vitamin K is essential for strong bones and is found in very few foods, one of them being cucumbers. So, cucumber juice is one of the best juices you can drink to maintain healthy bones. It is also packed with high amounts of silica and potassium, which are two minerals that are also important for keeping strong bones. Number 4. Keeps you hydrated. Did you know cucumbers are 96% water? It means drinking cucumber water or cucumber juice can help you stay hydrated and flush out toxins from your system. Moreover, cucumbers contain potassium, which is essential for hydration. If your body does not have enough potassium, you may feel tired and sweaty due to dehydration. This is where cucumber water can help. Its water content will not only replenish your potassium levels and hydrate your body, but also allow it to detoxify properly. Number 5. Helps you lose weight. Cucumber juice is a low-calorie and low-carbohydrate beverage, making it a great addition to any diet. 1 11-ounce, or 300 grams cucumber has only 45 calories. This means that you can consume a lot of cucumbers without gaining weight as a result of the extra calories. Drinking cucumber juice makes you feel fuller, so you are less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods. Is it good to drink cucumber juice every day? If you want to improve your health, then drinking cucumber juice every day is a great choice. But you should remember that too much cucumber juice does more harm than good. If you drink high doses of cucumber juice every day, you can suffer from hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is a medical condition that can happen in people who have high potassium levels in their blood. Eating large amounts of high potassium foods, like cucumbers, is one of the reasons you can develop hyperkalemia. This condition can be dangerous and can cause serious health issues, such as heart palpitations, kidney failure, and even death, if left uncontrolled. Therefore, it is recommended to drink no more than 20 ounces of cucumber juice every day. When is the best time to drink cucumber juice? Cucumbers are full of water, so they are the best thing you can drink before a meal. They will help you feel full and prevent you from overeating. The ideal time to drink its juice is 20 to 30 minutes before eating a meal. However, if you want to lose weight, the best time to drink cucumber juice is in the morning on an empty stomach. It will cleanse your body and keep you hydrated. A perfect way to start your day. What are the side effects of drinking cucumber juice every day? Apart from causing hyperkalemia, high doses of cucumber water can lead to digestive problems, diarrhea, and an increase in urination. Blood clotting is another common side effect, due to the high amount of vitamin K present in cucumber. So, if you are on a blood-thinning medication, you should watch the amount of cucumber juice you consume daily. All in all, Cucumber juice is a must-have for staying hydrated throughout your day, especially if you are trying to lose weight. It's also a refreshing drink that tastes great on its own, or mixed into other smoothies. So, as soon as the weather starts warming up and you start craving something refreshing, reach for a glass of cucumber juice. Have you tried drinking cucumber juice every day? What benefits or side effects have you noticed? Share your experience with us in the comments section below.